5 fantastic facts about butterflies. 1. Butterflies can't fly if they are cold. If it is too cold, the butterfly will be unable to move its body parts. Butterfly wings are actually transparent. Over time, some of these colorful scales will rub off, exposing the transparent membrane. Butterflies taste with their feet. Butterflies have senses of taste, smell and touch. Their taste receptors are actually located on their feet. Butterflies don't actually eat anything. They can only drink, using a long tube called a proboscis. It's really easy to attract butterflies to your garden. You probably heard that buddleia, aka butterfly bush, is the best plant for attracting butterflies to your garden. I hope this video is useful to you. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon and stay updated.